What's up, Sneakerholicbeez? It's your boy STOCKX bringing out a sneaker video. Today I will be unbagging or unboxing some things I ordered from Supreme. If you're new to the channel and haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, also hit that thumbs up to help me rank high on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get right into opening this bag. My Rambo knife. Supreme bag. What's in the bag? First, before that, let's look at it. Got some Supreme stickers. Supreme shower cap. And this shirt is the middle finger to the world t-shirt in red. It was all red. But that's that in a nutshell. Real quick, this is the first time I hit on Supreme. Figure I'd try my luck, grab something. The quality of the shirt seems real nice, so I don't know. I might go for more Supreme later on in the future. But let me know in the comment section, was you able to get through on the Supreme site, and what did you cop? Thanks for watching my video as always. Remember to hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this video, or the thumbs down if you didn't. SNEAKERHOLICBEez, and I'm out.